Take one.
Hey Gautam.
Hi, Varun.
We are coming up with lot of exciting. Sorry.
Take two.
You ready?
Yeah.
I'll put my stomach in. Okay. Hey guys, I have an exciting news to. Sorry. Auntie को जाने दो.
Take three.
You will be missing it, and I'm sure you will. You will learn a lot. So stay tuned and happy learning.
Happy learning.
Lights. Camera. Action.
Hi all, we have an exciting news to tell you. At EduHubSpot, we are coming up with lot of new courses, and most importantly, we are launching the technical courses now.
Yeah, even I'm so excited for this, Varun. If we are the one who helped you to pass your project management certification, let us also help you in upskilling with all top technologies.
We are also coming up with knowledge series on YouTube, so much of content, happy learning, happy studying, and stay tuned for more updates.
Yeah, happy learning.